Hey guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I clean my makeup brushes, y'all. Now if y'all have been watching me for a while, I did do like a video about how I clean my makeup brushes, y'all, but I decided I'll give you guys a more updated video because I no longer clean my makeup brushes like that. So yeah, so pretty much all you're going to need today, you're just going to need your makeup brushes, your sponges, anything that you want to clean that's makeup related. Clean all that, and then you're going to need your olive oil, and you're also going to need detergent or antibacterial soap. Now when it came to actually pouring the antibacterial soap inside the bowl, I did not like use no measuring cup or anything. I just kind of eyeball everything because that's usually what I do. I usually just eyeball everything. Now I'm about to show you guys this soap right here. Is a soap that I used to use, but I no longer use that soap anymore, only because it started to make me like break out a lot on my face. So I do apologize about that video. I did not tell you guys that, but that was my first time actually washing my makeup brushes using the Zote soap. But I decided to go ahead and give you guys a more updated tutorial on how I clean my makeup brushes. So I'm going to go ahead and stop talking for right now. And but before I go, I do also want to let you guys know that I use olive oil to kind of bring back the moisture to my brushes. And then I like to use antibacterial soap because it kind of kills all of the bacteria that's inside of the makeup brushes. But other than that, y'all just enjoy the video and kind of let me know what you guys think. But besides that, I hope that you guys do find this tutorial very helpful, and I do hope that you guys do give this cleaning your makeup brushes a try.
Yeah.
Now I do notice that whenever I use the Salvo soap, which is the soap that you guys saw earlier in the video. I did have to go in and use that soap a little bit for the brushes that I use a lot that hold more of the foundation. So I did have to go in and use that blue detergent, and this is pretty much how your makeup brushes will turn out looking, y'all. Your makeup brushes is gonna look sparkling clean, y'all, and y'all gonna thank me. Y'all really are. But I like this way of washing my makeup brushes. I really do, and I think that you guys will like this way instead of the old way. But I'm about to bounce up out of here.